Hi everyone, welcome. This is Professor Louie here. In this video, we're going to talk how to submit your assignment with the new Blackboard interface. So keep in mind, Blackboard's always updating their icons and their user interface, so some things may change. But this is the updated video from the last time. So let me put myself in the corner. So here we are with the dashboard. Now you have your assignment ready. What to do? Well, you're going to first navigate to when it is due. So the weekly page is what you're looking for. You want to know when the assignment was due and go to its weekly page. This course pane is always on the left. If you don't see it, it may be minimized. All you do is click and the course menu is back. So let's go to week 2 when we have 2 assignments due. So as usual, we have our introduction to the week, some readings and activities, the mental health break, and then after the mental health break, as always, your graded deliverables, where I will give feedback on them. So you'll notice that assignments are always underlined because they will take you to a new place. They are a link. So the icon, unfortunately, used to have a cute little ruler and be really obvious that it was an assignment, but the new Blackboard, it's not as consistent, so you might see it look like this course link here, or you might even just see a plain paper with a little corner. Either way, what you'll want to see is that there will be a link right here, and it underlines. And you'll notice that my arrow here, my cursor, turns into a little pointy hand. So let's click. So as you can see, we're now in the upload assignment page. And so you'll see the due date and the points possible and the instructions. So you have 2 big options. The first big option is text submission. So you will click this button here, write submission. It will bring you a text editor, the very same one that we use for the discussion boards, with all the helpful buttons and less helpful things that it does. So that is your call if you would like to use it like this. I do encourage you to write your submission in a separate document on your computer and then paste it into here, just in case. You never know when there's a power outage or Blackboard, something happens. I don't want all the hard work you did disappearing on you. So remember, you might want to copy and paste it from a separate document and actually do the actual writing in that separate document first. But again, the first option you have is text submission. You press the write submission button for this. The other option, which I highly recommend, is the attach a file option. So what you want to do is click this button, browse my computer, and it will let you upload a file from your computer. So it can be a doc, it can be a PDF, what have you. Keep in mind, Blackboard does not support all file formats, so I highly recommend, especially for something like a letter or something, PDF, RTF, .doc.x. Unfortunately, it does not accept .pages files. It will not display them. And unfortunately, despite my attempts, my computer still does not reliably display .pages, and I don't want to ever worry that I am seeing something that is less than the work that you had done. So please, if you can, make sure you keep in mind that you might have to convert your files and that it's a readable file and supported by Blackboard. So that is the second option, to attach a file by browsing your computer. Now this section is called the Add Comments section. This is just for comments. Please do not put your assignment in here because unfortunately it will erase any formatting, any paragraph breaks, anything like that. I will get a solid wall of text, a very big chunk. And unfortunately, a lot of our assignments are letters, and part of your delivery is in your formatting, how you delivered your message. And unfortunately, putting it in the comment section will delete all that hard work that you did. So this dot comments is for your comments. So if you want to tell me something interesting that didn't make it into your final draft, or you want to tell me something about the process, maybe you just want to comment on something you noted about the instructions or something else, this is the section that you can put it in, and I'll take a look. And I will see it while when I look at your assignment. So again, not for your actual deliverable, but for comments that you might have just to go with me. So again, two different options and 3 things to take note. Number 1, text submission. You'll get the text editor. That's one way to submit your assignment. You can copy and paste in or directly type into here. Option number 2 of the 2 options is attach a file. Click Browse My Computer. That will take you to your file explorer, and you can upload one of your files from your computer. And the third item, which is not an option for your deliverable, but instead another option for giving me comments or questions, is the Add Comments section. So with that, that is how you submit an assignment. Just to sum up, first, go to the course pane, course menu, pick the week that we want to be on for when your assignment is due. Scroll down to when to the assignment that you want to turn in. Click the link, so the item title link. You'll notice it's underlined and the hand. And then you can either write a text submission or attach a file. And there will also be sometimes other options for plagiarism and whatnot, but that is a different story and you can see in time. But although if you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Alright, and final thing, again, add comments, not for your deliverable, it is for your comments only, because I will lose any formatting and it'll just be a chunk of text. Alright, so anyway, that is how you submit your assignment for this new version of Blackboard. I hope you're having a good day, and again, please touch base with me if you have any questions, comments, or anything at all you want to ask or talk to me about. And, well, hope you're having a good day, and take care.